In this video, we're going to talk about the Cobo Hall diorama. The Cobo Hall diorama is very large, and it has some adjustable lighting. There are two boxes. One says signs. The one that says signs operates two lights, the exit light and the other light, and that other light says, what does it say? Garland room. So there must have been another room in the back in this hall named Garland room, and that's what this one light box operates. The other light box says ceiling. The lights up on the top are ceiling lights. And there's one here behind this pole. They add some mood to the diorama, but they don't add very much light. I guess if you turn off all the lights in the room, then it gives you an effect. But my opinion is this is a convention hall that have conventions, and I would have supposed that there were lots and lots of bright lights in this hall. I mean, they wouldn't do a presentation in the dark. So pretty much the light in this diorama is, I think, useless for doing a big presentation in a convention hall. It does add some mood, as you can see. And these light controls, when you're not using them, obviously you don't want them in the picture, so you can just tuck them behind the diorama. The wires are long enough. The only thing in this diorama that's glued down, that can't be moved, are the curtains, those blue curtains, and this podium. It's glued down. Everything else you can move around. You can move around the Caravan of Stars banner and the place where you put the car, and all these chairs can be moved around. The one other thing that can't be moved are the ashtrays. Ashtrays, they drilled holes, the builder drilled holes, and they go right where they go, and that's it. So pretty much the chairs have to be right where they are too. You can move the tables, and you can add paper. I put one piece of paper on this podium. You might want to put more than one piece of paper. But the chairs have to be pretty much where they are because the ashtrays are permanent. I suppose you could remove an ashtray and put a chair over the hole, and then you don't have to put the chairs where they go right now, but anyway. And the one other thing is there's a spotlight up here, and this spotlight is supposed to spotlight the car as it's being displayed, but this spotlight does not work. It actually works, but you put a battery in it. It's a 1.5 volt battery for flashlight, and it hardly shines at all. You can't see it. So I decided to not have that battery in there, and so pretty much that light does not work. So if you have a car on display, please excuse the car. It's just a placeholder. What you do is you get yourself, I'll leave this light here as part of the diorama. And what it is, this light is an adjustable beam light. See, it adjusts the beam. And so what you do is you put it up on top of where the spotlight is, and you adjust the beam to spot the car. And you tape you would tape this light up here. That's with tape. You know, like I should have brought some tape and showed you, but Scotch tape will do. You just kind of tape it where you want it, and then it will highlight the car. As I said before, with no lights on, you get a kind of a neat effect. But the problem is this particular light has a aurora around it. You see this, you might find a different spotlight that'd be better. But like I said again, this scene right here, it's looked like they turned off all the lights in the convention hall. And then they just have a spotlight and some ceiling lights, and it gives kind of a neat effect in one way, but for a convention to show off cars. Oh, also you have a truck. That's right, you're going to probably have a truck over here on the right side. Caravan of Stars van. And you won't see that at all. So the Cobo Hall lighting situation is going to be a tough cookie to crack, tough egg to crack. So you just have to decide what you want to do. You can obviously add more light to it. Like I have this lamp here. You can add all kinds of lighting to it, but spotting the car with a spotlight is going to be a challenge. So that is the Cobo Hall diorama.